Hello, welcome to Jun's Kitchen. Look, today I'm going to make one of ramen recipe. Before start cooking, I wanted to show you what kind of ramen I have in our pantry. Anyway, before cooking, I will tell you a little bit more about those ramen. And I hope you enjoy today's recipe. These are the ramen I have in my pantry. And this one became famous because of that Parasite, the movie. This one is the first ramen in Korea, and still you can buy it. This noguri also has a long history. If you see that word 얼큰한 means spicy, that means it has mild flavor too. One of the most popular ramen in Korea is 신라면. This version is non-frying version. This one also not soup type ramen like Chapagetti. 비빔면 we call it, and especially good for summer season. Maybe later I will show you how to enjoy this one. I do have two kinds of cup noodle. I like them both, but there are small version for this. And as you can see, this is 사리곰탕. This one, they are not spicy. So if you can't take spiciness, you can try this. Well, today I'm going to cook Chapagetti with my own recipe, not like the Chapagetti from Parasite. I hope you like this recipe. You need these ingredients: 1 pack of Chapagetti, ramen, instant noodle. You can see the simple recipe from the back. It's quite easy. Chapagetti already popular in Korea, quite tasty by itself. But I usually add other ingredients like sausage, eggs, and mayonnaise. And this one is something new, Chapagetti. I already tried this and quite nice. Non-frying one, that means less calorie. Anyway, when you start cook, just boil the water first while you making or prepare other ingredients. After heat some oil, cook sausage first. After you cook the sausage well enough, then turn it down the heat in the lower heat and cook the egg. Break the egg. And then make the scrambled egg, something like this. So break the yolk and quickly, but make sure you shouldn't cook too much. When egg changes like this, just turn off the heat and then add the mayonnaise. Well, roughly 1 tablespoon per an egg, and mix well like this. Now you prepared the ingredients for topping. So just leave it on the pan, and you can. Some people add sugar, a little bit of sugar, but I like savory food, so I just add pepper. If you open the pack, you can see noodle, of course, and 3 different kinds of sachet. This one, this is flakes, and this one is oil. You can put this flake sachet when you boil the noodle, and this one is sauce powder, and this one is olive oil. I already put the flakes, usually dried vegetable, and then put the noodle and boil for roughly 5 minutes. After boil the noodle, drain the water, but make sure leaving 6 or 7 tablespoons of water, like this. Now add the sauce powder and mix well. Usually you can put the oil together, but this time I add fried sausage and eggs, so I actually didn't this time. Anyway, at first it looks a bit watery, but if you keep mixing, that sauce gets thicker. You can see it. Now transfer to the bowl. And topping with a scrambled egg and sausage. I'm going to serve with a spring onion kimchi this time, but sometimes I serve with Chinese pickled root stuff we call jjajangmyeon. Anyway, it's done. Well, did you enjoy today's recipe? There are other ramen recipe you can try, so maybe next time I can show you one of those recipes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.